This is for you. Wow, thanks, Mom. Have fun, sweetie. I wonder what it is. Whoa, a 3D pen? This is amazing! Come on, dear. Oh, I almost forgot. I got you a gift. Now go play! Hey, how's it going? Look what I've got! I have this. It's pretty expensive. Oh, this is a pretty color. No, it's mine. That's okay. I'll use this. Whatever. Whoa, I'm in the zone. It's gonna be a masterpiece. Look, I made a pretty flower. I'm so happy. Selfie! I look good. Ah! My phone! No! Is it okay? Oh no, it's broken! Ah! You can use mine. I don't think so. Wait, I have an idea. How about this? Is this a joke? Hello? Wow, so fancy! It's a classic. What? How dare you? That was so rude. I know what to do. I'll just use my backup phone. You better be careful. That's a good point. I know what to do. I can use my 3D pen. I'll start by drawing around the edge. I need to take my time. I don't want to get any on the camera. Now I can decorate the rest. I'll create a pattern. I'll make random waves. This is looking good. Time to switch colors. I'll draw a love heart. Now I'll fill it in. Pink is the perfect color. That should do it. Wow, I love it! I even made a charm for it. What do you think? It looks good, huh? Whoa, it's better than my phone. Wait, I've got it! My 3D pen won't let me down. I'll draw around a phone template. I just need to follow the lines. It's so easy. That's the basics done. Now I need to add the details. I'll start with the screen. I'll use gray for this. That's the screen finished. I have a good feeling about this. It'll look great. Now for the finishing touches. I'll need apps. It'll be a boring phone without them. Let's speed this up. It's so exciting! Wow! It's perfect! It's just what I need! Take a look at this. It's pretty good, huh? It's amazing. I'm gonna make a call. Give me that! I have a better idea. Watch this. I'll give it a shake. What are you doing? Make it stop! Take a look at this. Whoa! A new phone! I thought you would like that. Thank you. Smile!